Let us see today how we can mute all participants in Google Meet. This is one of the issues we are facing as a teachers. Lot of noises are produced while taking class. So let us see how to get all of our participants mute at a time by a single click. So for this I will use one extension. There is one extension, Google extension, which we can use. So going to the apps, going to the web store, in the Google web store you just have to find one extension called as mute all on Meet. Now you can see that this is the extension that we have searched, mute all on Meet. Just click on this extension and add it to your Chrome. As soon as you are adding it to your Chrome, it will be shown, the extension will be shown as an icon over here. As you can see, one notification has come up. Now whenever you want to mute anybody on your meeting, you can just click on it and the meeting participants will be muted at a time. Now let me check out by having a meeting with 3 or 4 participants and mute them. So let us start the meeting. So let us check how this works upon. I have started a meeting, and as you can see that there are 3 people in this meeting including me. There are 2 other people who have joined here and they are speaking out. Okay, their speakers are on, they are not mute, and they will be speaking in between, and they are speaking in between, and it may hamper the class, right? So what I can do, just see here, after installing that extension, this mute all button has appeared over here. Apart from this chat with everyone, show everyone, there is one button called mute over here, mute all users. So I will click on this one and let us see whether it mutes all the users or not. Yes, it has done it. Now you see all the users have been muted at a single instant, right? They were all unmuted, but they have been muted at a single, using a single click we have muted them all, right? So this is working. But the thing is that when you mute the other people, they can you cannot unmute them again, because they have to unmute themselves. That is a privacy issue. They have to unmute themselves, and then they can just speak out. Kabir, unmute yourself, Kabir. Now you can see, Kabir, unmute your eye. Now you can see that they have unmuted themselves again, right? They have unmuted themselves again. Now what you can do again, you can, if they are speaking something, try to speak something.
Hello.
Yeah, now he is trying to speak. Keep speaking.
Hello. Hello.
Now he is speaking in between. So I want to mute that particular person. So I can just go to that particular person and mute by individually that person. That option is already available in Google. But if you want to mute them all, try this extension, install that extension. You will get this mute button over here at the top left corner, and just click on it. Just click on it and it will show you all the participants have been muted at one click. So I hope this is okay with you. You have understood.